ThirdGen YouTube channel.
Guys, we got some light bulbs from Auxito. We're going to be putting them on my buddy Derek's Charger. There's some LEDs.
Yeah.
I don't know the specs on them.
They hopefully fit.
It says 6500K. It does not give me a power output, so we're going to see how bright they are. The car has stock halogens at the moment, so we're going to put these in there and see how they fit. This is with stock halogen bulbs. Get the view from the driver's seat.
Heck yeah.
Guys, so the stock bulbs are in there. Don't look too terrible to get to. We'll see. Passenger side's got quite a bit of room. Driver's side, the airbox kind of gets in the way a little bit, but we're going to try to pop these out and pop the new ones in. Guys, so the bulbs are packaged quite nicely. Most of the Chinese LEDs I've gotten off the internet have been, but they come with little zip ties, a very small Allen wrench, 2 gaskets of some sort, and then the bulbs themselves seem to be of decent quality. So we'll put these in there, see how they go. It comes with a product manual, so it's pretty legit looking. Guys, got the stock bulb out. You pull up on these 2 gray plastic things and slides off the connector. Hopefully the new one goes on the same way. Got the new LED in there. It went in easier than most LEDs I've dealt with before, so that was cool. So now we're going to do a halfway test with 1 LED and 1 halogen. Oh yeah, good idea. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that's pretty darn. That's bright. Dang, look at the difference.
Oh yeah.
That's a big difference.
That's nice.
That's big. Dang.
Yeah, very cool. Derek's pulling the stock bulb out of the driver's side here.
Yep.
Let's reach in there. Doesn't get much easier than that.
Alright. So there we go.
Just like that, pops out. Let's get him a new bulb. There is our Auxito bulb.
Heck yeah.
From my gracious friends over in China.
Alright.
That connector snaps in there pretty good.
It does. It's actually made really well. Like
most of the other ones I've dealt with, it's kind of like, ooh.
Yeah, like doesn't feel good.
That was quite a satisfying click, I thought.
Oh, there it is.
Find the hole.
Yeah.
Derek's good with his hands.
Oh yeah. Good at finding the hole.
Yeah, Derek's great at finding the hole. You gotta want it.
Yeah.
Got the second side in.
Took a little finagling.
Took a little bit of work, but it wasn't too bad. Better than most LEDs I've played with. So now we're gonna fire it up with both of them and see how it looks. Both of them in there.
No, I forgot. This is the older one.
And Derek's got to actually turn the bulbs on first. There we go.
Dang,
that is quite bright. It does look nice. I like the whiter light. Oh yeah, that's very nice. They're aimed pretty good.
It'll match my fog lights because I deleted them.
Yeah. Do not have to worry about the fog lights matching on this car because they're not there.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, go inside the car.
Oh yeah, we get a good driver's seat view here. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
I'd be interested to see the before and after.
That's pretty good. Very nice. Thanks to Auxito for sending us these bulbs all the way from beautiful China. so we can put them in a Dodge Charger. So it's looking on the road. We have a car coming at us. Nobody's flashing their high beams at us, so that's good. I think the performance is quite good. We're lighting up all the signs and sidewalks. All the reflective stuff is shining up nicely. The bulbs don't seem to be flickering at all or bouncing around in the housings. They seem like they fit nicely. We'll get out on the main road here and see how they do. Oh yeah, very good. We have pretty good viewing distance here. We're lighting up signs that are about what do you think, a quarter mile down the road?
Yeah, like all the way down there.
Yeah, they're lighting up signs very far away, so very good. Very good. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss